Hello, so here is a cool animation we'll be creating today for free in Canva, which you can use to showcase your products online and so much more. So watch all the videos so you get all the points. So to get started, when you open Canva, you'll be presented with this dashboard. Now you can create any type of video you want, but in this tutorial, I would like to create a Facebook video. So on the dashboard here, I'll just come and click on this Facebook video. So here now, I'm just going to tap here to close that, and then I'll enlarge the working area. So this type of video is very good to help you in showcasing your product. So you can stop showcasing your product in a boring way. Do it like this. It is very engaging. So if you are new to Canva, just follow me closely. By the end of this video, you'll be able to know your work around Canva. So to get started, you go on this left section and you click on elements. You search here circle, or alternatively, to do it very fast, you can just press on the C key on your keyboard, and it's going to bring it up. I'm just going to expand it very well. So what I just want to do now, I want to set up the base for my animation. I'm just checking and seeing. You go on this left section again. You add frames. You can just search frames. So to have a very good and smooth animation, you have to work on your alignment and on your angles, which I'll be showing you as we move along. But first, I want to change the color of this now. You just click on it. You go to color. You change the color of the background also. You click on it. You can change it to any color you want. So now I'll click on this circle, and then I'll position it very well in the middle. It's very good to do it like this, to position it very well in the middle. If not, the animation is not going to be very smooth. Then this one also, I'm going to position it very well. You see that red line? You see that red lines? It shows me that it's well positioned. I'll align there. I'll duplicate it. It's going to give me the lines again. As you can see, exactly that's the same line we had here. So that's it also there. Now you have to rotate it 90 degrees. As you can see, that degree there is going to help you to know when to stop. You rotate it like that, minus 90 degree. You duplicate it again. It's going to give you the border where you have to stop. So after rotating and placing very nice now like this, I hope at this point, before even doing this, you already have your products that you want to showcase. Me, I already have them. I'll just come now to them like that, and then I will just select and be adding them. You drag it. So you just continue dragging your elements very nicely like that into the frames. Now you saw that when I drag the element, it will rotate it like this. This is because we are rotating the frames when adding them. This is going to make sense when we start dealing with the animation. This is going to make sense, but that's why I told you that you have to rotate it like that, because it is very good for you to rotate it. Or if you do not rotate it, then when you place your image, it's going to be straightforward, and when the animation will be rotating, it's not going to make sense. I will show you what that means. So just place it like that. Now if you place a particular element, and maybe you were supposed to place, you want it to be in order, and maybe we're supposed to place this jacket here before this sneaker, you don't have to come here and you delete it. No, you just come here, you right click on it, you come to detach image. When you detach your image now like this, you can delete it, or you can place it anywhere you want to place it. Now in the case where you have not yet uploaded your elements, like I said, I've already uploaded my elements here. In the case where you have not yet uploaded it, you just come to the upload section. So in the case you have not yet uploaded it, you come to your files in your computer where the image you want to upload. You just drag it to anywhere in the canvas, and you allow it's going to upload, as you can see here like this. Then this is uploading. You drag it now and you add. So that's how you do it. So now just go ahead now and add these few ones, then we'll continue. Now also, if you add your image and then you see that it's not showing up very well inside the frame, you can just come on the image, you click on it, and then you double click on it. When you double click on it, it's going to give you the option to arrange the position. As you can see, I'm doing here now like this, to where you want it to be. You can just allow it. So when you are done now adding your images, this was the most important part, because if you miss this step, the animation is not going to flow very well. So now you just come, after doing this, now you come now and you click on Ctrl A to copy everything. Then you come now, you group it. When you group it now like this, you can enlarge it to any size you want. And even though I've enlarged it, I still want to have that guideline, that red line as you see in the middle like that, so I know it is in the middle. Okay, so now I can allow it. So now you will continue, you click on the T on your keyboard. So now we'll continue, you click on the T on your keyboard to bring up the text menu, the text, or you can go on this left section and click on text. So after adding your text now like this, you can do anything to the text. You can make the text bolder. You can change the color of the text, change to any color you want, and you can also change the font. So if you don't like this font, you just come over here, you click on it, and you can change it to any font you want here. Or better still, you can still import your own fonts and use them. There's another video for that. You can just check on my channel, you see another video for that. Because there are some cases that you'll be working with a client and he's going to give you the font for you to use. So you can do that, it's possible. So we're just gonna add the rest of the text on the screen. Now there's something that we hit in Canva. If you want to position something and you see that it is snapping where you don't want to position it, to control that, you can hold the control key on your keyboard and it will allow you to position it anywhere you want. So now you follow closely, you don't miss this point. After adding now everything like that, now you come to this down section, these three dots here, you click on it, and then you come to duplicate page. On the next page now, you make sure you click on it to make sure you are on the next page. You come now and you click on the group image, then you rotate it. Now take very close regard also to the rotation. You rotate it 90 degree. You rotate it 90 degree as I've just done now like this. You keep everything here as it is. This new arrival, you keep like that. You just come here now and you change this. You do the same, you duplicate it. On the next page, you come, you click on it, you rotate it. So after adding all that, now you have something like this. As you can see, there's no animation yet, but just continue watching as I'll be showing you what to do next. So when all that is done now, you come now on this down section where you have your videos, you hover over, you're going to see add transition. You click on it. On the transition phase now, you see various transition. This transition is what's going to bring the animation to life. But the one we're going to be using is this match and flow transition. Increase it like that. Now you can choose to apply it in all the pages. That's what I'll do. And now it is added in all the pages. Now you have something like that. How cool is that? You play it to see it. So if you are enjoying the video so far, please don't forget to like, comment, and you subscribe. So that is the video. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Okay, since you are still here, let's just watch our video together and see how cool it is. So that is it.